Today my new recipe is microwave chicken curry. I am Krishna Viswas from Krishna's Kadai. Step 1. Marinate the chicken with 2 tablespoons mustard oil, 1 tablespoon green chili, ginger and garlic paste, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, 1 tablespoon garam masala, salt as needed. Mix it properly. Keep aside for half an hour. Step 2. After half an hour, keep the chicken in a micro oven. Cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take out the chicken from oven. Step 3. These are the ingredients for the gravy and grind it into fine paste. Step 4. Add the gravy paste. Mix it properly so that the masala coated well with chicken. Add leftover masala water. Again cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take out from the oven. Step 5. Add 2 tablespoons hung curd, chopped coriander leaves and 1 chopped green chili. Don't mix it, otherwise the curd will curdle. Now cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out from the oven. Add 1 tablespoon ghee on the top of the chicken. Step 6. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Yummy and tasty microwave chicken curry. Serve with rice or chapati.